The conference on the future of Europe has landed in Warsaw. The Polish capital hosted the third and final meeting of the European Citizens Panel on climate, the environment and health. Over the weekend, some 200 citizens participating in person and online turned their panel's ideas into concrete recommendations. Ideas ranging from promoting healthy living and improving access to healthcare, to reducing pollution and creating sustainable consumption.
My subgroup is looking at specific labeling regarding the ecological footprint. Through that, we want to protect our environment. We are looking at the water consumption, water wasting, in order to keep our groundwater clean and our rivers clean.
Citizens also looked at the links between public health and the environment.
Everything that's related to the improvement of the environment is also linked to health discussion, because if we improve air quality and things like that, we also improve health.
A me piace molto la biodiversità, perché molte cose passano da questo problema, cioè l'inquinamento produce problemi alla biodiversità, l'inquinamento non solo in CO2 in termini di CO2, ma anche di inquinamento delle acque, acustico.
As well as ways to better protect biodiversity, participants' recommendations included concrete proposals on improving rural public transport, eliminating unsustainable food packaging, ending planned obsolescence, and incorporating the right to healthcare into the Treaty of the European Union. August, Dorin and Maria are among the panel's 20 representatives who'll present their 51 recommendations to the conference plenary at the European Parliament in Strasbourg. The recommendations will feed into a final report which EU institutions have to follow up on.